Morning.
Good morning. It's freezing.
We had to turn the heat on.
Oh my god. It was so cold.
What? Oh, you want some cereal instead? So you don't want a granola bar?
No, I don't think so.
Alright. I'll have some cereal with you then. Let's see what we got outside this morning. A little foggy in the camper.
This is what happens when you're married to a guy who's picky. He doesn't like raisins. So I get double raisins.
Not a bad thing.
No, not for me.
See? Tea's getting ready here. We're gonna have some cereal. Okay, the camper's taking a pee this morning. Draining out the sink. It has a 1 gallon like little gray tank inside and stores it in there, so in the morning we just drain it out. Got the truck started up and Lori's waiting for me to hand the pan back into her.
Yep.
We just got a shower this morning, which was exquisite. Right, Lori?
The heat blasting.
Yeah, with the heat blasting, because it's freezing outside. So we're just getting ready to go. We're going to do some laundry today, so we'll be good to go there. We want to wash some bedclothes and things like that. There's a little bit of fiberglass residue that you can feel from the truck moving around and getting mixed in with the bed sheets, so we want to get rid of that. All right. You ready, hon?
I'm ready.
Let's see if we can figure out how to get out of here, honey.
Turn left on California 139.
I think there was a little baby prairie dog.
Yeah, he's over there just past the for sale sign. Oh, he just ran away. Anyway, we're driving along and we want to get a shot of, I'm guessing that's Mount Shasta. Of course, it's, I don't know how many miles over there. Quite a few. In the day, it's just so clear today. So we thought we'd just get a video of it. Of course, we're on our way up to Klamath Falls. Lots of farms here. What's the date today, Lori?
June 8th.
June 8th, Saturday, June 8th, and we are at Petroglyph Point in Lava Bed National Monument. Saw it on the side of the road, so we came on back and we're going to check out a few things. Let's see what it says here. So it's a trail?
Well, you go in there.
As you walk along the trail. It's not there.
This says area closed.
So it's closed because of emergency conditions. You're not allowed to travel along the trail. So
There's a little bit. Wow.
if there were petroglyphs there, it looks like majority of them were destroyed by people carving their names into the rock. Maybe that one way up there on top might be one. See it?
Yeah.
But I don't think Pink Floyd was here back then. We can't walk along the trail, but there's some other cool things. There's some bird's nests up there. See them?
Yeah.
See the bird's nest up there, Lori?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I can see a bird sticking its head out that little hole or not. That's kind of cool. So let's go down towards the other end. You know, a lot of it's just graffiti. Some of it might be, I don't know, because you can't tell. Now you know why the fence is here.
Yeah. Oh, they show you. They have them here, and then you should be able to see it. Do you see it?
I'm looking. I mean, I see some very small carvings right there. Yeah, like a box with an arrow in it.
I know, that's weird.
I think it's just amazing. This big chunk of rock right in the middle of the flat area.
I know.
I mean, look at these erosion lines across here. That's crazy.
There's supposed to be another one here. Do you see anything?
Not yet. You can see that one.
We found a really good one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tripping over your own feet.
Yeah, that's neat.
Yeah, you can definitely see that one.
Yeah, it looks alien-like, the head.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know what's funny? This one is actually the shape that they have there.
Yeah.
Huh.
Petroglyph's cool, but the rock is really cool. That is straight up. There's another shot of the mountain over there. Look at the snow on that thing. Probably that snow line is, I don't know, 7,000 feet where the snow line is and up. I'm gonna guess. I don't know.
But it's
'Cause,
amazing.
I mean, remember yesterday we were driving up into that park and the snow was still up there at about 6,000 or 7,000 feet. So, okay, it's about 50 degrees outside, which is like perfect for a hike. We're gonna go up to the Petroglyph Bluff Trail. We were down below a little earlier. Check out. I'm almost positive that's Mount Shasta. I don't know what else it would be. This is our surroundings here. Mostly farmland around here. This is the Lava Beds National Monument, part of it. We're up in the north section. What's up?
It's really a pretty view.
I don't know if you could get a clearer sky. Oh, I didn't even know. Look at all the water over there.
I saw that.
No wonder there's so many farms here. What'd you say?
I could smell some weed.
Yeah, there's a guy up there doing a little bit of meditation, let's just call it. What do you got, Lori?
What do I got? What is this place called?
This is the World War II National Segregation Center, I think it's called.
That's right, yeah. We were driving down the road and we saw something off the side of the road and I called the number. They said they do tours on Saturday and it was like 20 to 10 and they said, oh yeah, we do a tour at 10 o'clock.
So we're like, man, we gotta get up there.
Hightailed it down here.
Yeah. Look at all that water.
For those that are more accustomed to city living, this is a very hard place to get used to. So this area does get very hot, and in the winter it does get very, very cold. It was originally built, it was about this size here. So it was just this little section here. If any of you have the maps from the visitor center, you can see the ones that have two black lines in the middle of the blocks. Those were built after. So I'll get to that part of the story in a bit. So if you look in that direction, that mountain, the people here used to call that Abalone Mountain.
Jail for the segregation center. So if you were bad, you came here.
Do the first and then put in the trigger back on, or you can do it at the same time or not? I'm not exactly sure. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but there are some things missing here. What would have been here? Somebody, anybody? Doors. Doors, exactly. So these doors would have been this tall, but from here down, it would have just been a steel door with a flap right here that opens up so you can look in. And those were specialty made doors. You couldn't just take them off the hinges and put them on another door. So that's why they had to take the entire frames with them, which is why they chipped into the walls to take the frames. If you look here, this is where the heating would have been. Right here is the light fixtures. Over here, the bars on the windows. This room here is where visitors would have been, going into this room to talk to some of the people being held inside. As far as I know, no one ever actually was allowed in here to visit with anybody, but that was the purpose of this room. The room that's right there, I am not 100% sure what that room is for. So if you follow me over here in this room, in here is a snapshot of what it would have looked like inside. If you can see down here where this person's feet is, you'll see like little wavy things. That is where the cots were along the wall here. As the individual that was taking the picture was right here where I'm standing, and they were taking a picture of this cell here. So it was catching the bottom of people's feet of all the cots they were lined up. One bed would have been down here. It would have come out, and a chain would have gone up to this part where there would have been a second bed, and then a chain would have gone up to this top one. Essentially hold the two beds here, two beds here. Over here is where the latrine would have been, and the sink. Now, if you look closely, anywhere where you see these little pieces of paper, you will probably find writing on the wall. Now, there are many, many more places where graffiti is here in this building, but it is very difficult to see them. As you can see when I turn my light off, it's kind of hard to see that it's there. During the pilgrimage, when we have these windows open, a lot of sun came in, and you can actually see a lot more graffiti that you wouldn't have been able to before. This graffiti right here is actually one of the more prominent ones that says, "Show me the way to go home." So what does home mean to someone that would have been here? Is it where their farm was? Is it Japan? Is it where their family is, right where their barracks?
What'd you think there, lady?
My gosh, that was the most informative tour, I don't know, that I've ever taken.
Yeah, it was pretty
Really
complete.
in depth, I'm telling you.
Yeah. I mean, we've been on the tour for like 2 hours.
I know.
Yeah, it's crazy,
Right?
huh? And it's free.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, that's amazing.
all right, we're gonna head back to the truck and get some lunch. I'm starving.
Aren't you glad I gave you that granola bar?
Yeah, man. I didn't know we'd be on a 2-hour tour. There's a hose right in the front. Okay, we stopped at the Modoc National Forest Ranger Station to get some water up there. We were down like 20%. And it's 12 o'clock, we just left that tour, so both of us are starving. So we're just gonna crank off a couple nice hot sandwiches on the grill here and sit out in the sun because it's freezing outside. It's probably maybe 50 right now, so we've been cold all morning. Let's see what Laura's doing.
Tom, do you want to make it?
Hello.
Do you want to just try to toast it, or you want butter on it?
Yeah, we'll put butter on it and like fry it
So
up.
put some butter in the pan because the butter is like cold.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Ooh. What are you making in here?
Sandwiches.
Oh, delicious.
There.
All right, we're gonna go out in the sun and eat them. Along the side of the road at the ranger station in Tulelake.
We were starving.
Yeah, we're gonna do wash today, right? We're gonna go to Klamath and do some wash and clean the camper out a little bit, and then probably go north from there, find some more National Forest campgrounds to camp in. Should be fun.
I'm too busy thinking about food. Well, we'll see. I started with $5 just for the. We'll do. What do you think? 2. I don't know.
We'll find out.
It's not like
Anybody's coming through here.
I would just do this. It's pretty flat.
Hey, Lori.
Hello. I have to turn on.
Okay, so what do we got going here today?
Well, I'm trying to make broccoli fettuccine with blackened chicken.
Blackened chicken, broccoli fettuccine.
Yep.
Okay.
That's the plan, but I'm limited. I only have 2 spots, so I'm trying to figure the best way of doing things.
Okay.
I think I'm going to use my tea kettle and boil water.
All right, so we got it going here. She's got turned the cooktop on. Broccoli in there. Just sliced her up. Oh, by the way, we're in the National Forest again, and we had some trouble tonight
We did.
getting the campsite. It's like 7:30, actually 20 to 8 right now, and we went through, I don't know, 4 or 5 Forest Service roads, which were blocked off.
Private.
Yeah, they were marked private, which I don't know how that happens, but it just does. Coming together. Looks like we got some pasta sauce with pasta and blackened chicken. Getting ready to toast some garlic bread with butter over there. Oh, there's a mosquito.
Ooh, you brought him in.
Yep. Okay. It's almost, well, it probably is 8 o'clock. Oh my, it's 8:30.
Wow, this is the latest.
No wonder I'm hungry.
Yeah.
There she is, ready to eat.
I know, and I have my wine with my delicious,
Broccoli
Broccoli.
fettuccine,
yeah, blackened chicken.
blackened chicken,
I know,
broccoli
we're
fettuccine.
eating like gourmets in here, aren't we?
Yeah, it's really nice to have a stove and be able to
Fresh Parmesan cheese shredded.
cook. Yeah, and we kind of fried up some bread, I guess.
Made a little garlic toast.
Yeah, looks awesome. This is something we're not used to
Not
while we camp. I don't know if you can
Ice
see it.
cream.
Ice cream. We have a freezer. We had our ARV, you could use it as a freezer, but this actually
never
has a
did.
dedicated freezer, you know. So,
Yeah, we never did.
how's it taste?
Delicious.
This is the first time we've ever seen these. They're Ben and Jerry pint slices, it says.
Sorry, I'm making noise.
It's good. It's almost time for bed. Lori and I decided to play a couple rounds of Uno Flip. We bought it at Walmart.
We haven't got to flip yet, though.
No, we're tired. So this will be the last hand, and then we're going to hit the sack. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Night.